In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to work with Tableau Public without installing it. Now, whether you're a seasoned data analyst or just curious about data visualization, this method will allow you to harness the power of Tableau Public directly from within your web browser. So, grab a cup of coffee or tea, settle in, and let's get started. First, open up your web browser and head over to Google. Here, you'll need to type in Tableau Public Login in the search bar. This essentially takes you to the gateway of accessing Tableau Public without having to install any software on your device. Simply hit enter and you'll see several search results populate your screen. From the list of results, find and click on the one that says Tableau Login. This link will direct you to the Tableau website, which is the main hub for everything you need to get started. Once you're on the website, look for the option that says Try Now. Clicking on that will initiate a trial of Tableau Public, but remember, it's entirely web-based, so no installation is required. The next step is to locate the Sign In button. You might need to scroll down a little to find it, but once you do, go ahead and click on it. This will prompt you to sign into your Tableau Public account, or if you don't have an account yet, create one. Next, you'll see an option that says Sign In to Tableau Public, and that's exactly what we're going to do. By clicking on this link, you'll be able to enter your account credentials. Once you're on the sign-in page, enter your registered email address and password in the respective fields. Make sure you double-check your credentials for any typos. A quick tip, if you're prone to forgetting passwords, consider using a password manager. After entering your details, click on the Sign In button to gain access to your account. Now, after signing in, you should see your profile icon on the upper right corner of the web page. Go ahead and click on it. This will bring up a drop-down menu from which you need to select My Profile. Once you're in your profile, you're just one step away from creating a new visualization. Look for the button or link that says Create a Viz. Clicking on this will open up a canvas where you can start building your visualizations right away using your data set of choice. And that's it. You've successfully accessed Tableau Public without installing it all through your browser. This method not only saves you precious time and storage space, but also allows you to dive right into the world of data visualization effortlessly. Thanks for following along today. Enjoy your newfound flexibility and creativity with Tableau Public.